We're in the hallway of the Hyatt House Hotel in Parsippany, New Jersey. We're gonna ride the Schindler elevator. It's an awesome hotel. There's the lights. Here's the MPE. There's the MPE. That goes into the service elevator. Whoops. I love this flooring. It's nice flooring. This is a necessary retake. Here it is. Re-leveled. Door closes on work. Schindler. I love. This kind of sounds like traction. There is a phone in there, which I'm not gonna mess with it. 2,500 pound capacity. We're gonna go to 3.
Okay, we go for 3 if you want to come back in.
Go 3. There's the entrance. Door closes on work on. Door closes on work. Here we go. Nice motor. That fan's annoying. I love these buttons. Lobby. Lobby. There's me. Isabel, Dad, hold the door open. Hold it open. Look in the mirror. Who you see? Hi. Lantern's burnt out. Here we go. This is so rare. Shush. Rare empty fixtures, control panel. A compliant or non-A compliant. Now we're here at the lobby. That lantern's original. And